Mystic Mountain Homestead, and I just wanted to tell you where I am. I am at Baker's Creek Seed Festival, and we're here today with tons of other YouTubers. Over in that tent over there, we have Doug and Stacy, the Dirt Patch Heaven, and this lady who does herbs and canning. We have everybody here. We're having a great time. We're here getting plants, seeing animals, and mixing with lots of cool people. Okay, everybody, I found Tim with an American Homestead, and he's going to take us through and show us some of the different things that he has that are really cool. Right behind us, there is this crazy-looking bucket hanging, and I'm going to have him just go about that. But he was telling me that the number one thing that people ask about is his composting toilet. So, Tim, what do you want to tell me about your composting toilet?
We have a composting toilet box in our homes that we use on a daily basis, of course. It holds a 5-gallon bucket, and then when the bucket, you put, after you do your thing, you put wood chips in the bucket. Always keep a dry surface on the top. Once your bucket gets full, we take it out to the compost bin and dump it, and then we cover it with hay. And then once the bin gets full, we let it set for a year.
Okay, I was wondering about that. We were actually talking about that because we have a composting toilet, but we don't call ours a composting toilet. We call ours an outhouse.
Okay, we have one of those too.
Okay, but I didn't know because I knew that there was like you can do animal, feces, but I thought that human feces weren't supposed to go on the plants. So I'm glad you said that. So you're going to turn that for a year before you can actually
use it. We just let it compost set for a year. We don't have to turn it or anything.
Okay.
It turns black, nice black, rich soil.
Okay.
Doesn't smell inside the house or in the compost.
That's great to know.
So after a year, we'll take it, we'll put it on our fruit trees and our berry bushes.
Okay.
As a general rule, we don't put it in the garden. We leave it vegetables.
Okay, so just the fruit trees and berry bushes. Okay, so you're taking what they gave you and then you're giving it back what they gave you. Yeah, exactly. That's called recycling. Right. Okay, you have this other really neat thing over here I was wanting to ask you. What is this?
This is a bucket shower we use that we make.
She'll love it.
Gravity fed, of course. It holds 2 gallons of water.
But how quick of a shower is this? And done?
Oh, you can take as long as you want.
As long as somebody else is putting water up there.
You turn the valve. Okay, that's off. So you turn the valve on. You get wet. You turn it off.
Okay.
Soak down. Turn it back on again. And you rinse off.
Okay.
When you really get good at it, you can take your shower with 1.5 gallons of water.
Really?
I always have water left over.
Do you really? And this is the 2-gallon one.
That's a 3-gallon.
3-gallon.
Well, it's 2.5.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you just heat your water up before you put it in there. Do you hang this in a tree?
No, you hang it in the bathroom.
Oh. Well, you can make this. You can hang this in a tree and have like an outdoor shower,
You could.
You need to take a shower before you walk in my house.
Campers buy that. They give us some campers.
Yeah.
We do have a shower house that we can hang these in.
Okay, cool. And then I've got one more thing I want to ask you about because I've never seen this before. What?
Hey, how you doing? It's an offset cucumber called a fat baby. It looks really prickly, but it's not.
Okay.
They're really soft, and you just eat them off the vine.
Really? Yeah. Just like a regular cucumber, you can just wash it and bite it.
Yeah, wash it and bite it.
You put them in salad?
You can.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to eat them raw.
Oh, okay.
If you cook them, or you can't make bread with them. Or
and you can't pickle them?
No, there's too high a water content.
Okay. Sweet or bitter?
It tastes like a cucumber. What do you think? It's sweet or bitter?
Well, there's different cucumbers that taste different. Okay. Well, Tim, I want to thank you for showing us what you got. And if you want to give your homestead a plug, we'll be happy to tell everybody who you are. And
we are an American Homestead. You can visit our videos on YouTube.
That's right.
Patreon. And we're also on Steam-it.
You go. All right, Tim. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
This is Angie from Mystic Mountain Homestead, and guess who I'm with? So, anyways, I just wanted to tell you who I am and who I found out at Baker's Creek. So, go ahead. Tell about. This is your show. Well, I enjoy watching them all the time, and they've got a lot of ideas and a lot of really, I like how they get this many kids to act so well. That is so awesome. Isn't that right? Huh? He's awesome too, right?
Yeah, he's definitely awesome.
This good-looking young man right here.
So, anyways, what new video do you guys have coming out? Oh goodness, what is it called?
Tuesday.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
I love the one you guys did with Justin Rhodes when you were doing this One Family Make a Difference, and everybody wore that wig.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. And at first I'm like, what is the deal with the wig? And the very end of it, when the kids were all putting on the wigs, and somebody little was running around. Which one was it? This one or this one? The little bitty one running around.
This
with
looked
the,
like a doll.
Yeah.
Did she
that
look like
was
a doll?
So cute. So cute.
Well, sure, it's a pleasure meeting
Nice
you.
to meet you guys. And I'm so glad I recognized y'all walking around with all these other people.
Yes.
Okay, so we're still here today, and I'm just walking around seeing like everybody that's here, everything, and like Dirt Patch Kids. Oh my gosh, look who's here! You guys scared me, so no telling what I said. But
That's how we roll. We're photobombing everybody, especially people on YouTube.
All right, so here's Doug and Stacy, and you know what? While I have you here, I want to ask you a question. Okay. So we made our own mother, just like you do, with the
It's a huge one too.
organic. We poured it, but we did ours a little bit different than yours. But I
It's not going to work.
Yes, it did. It works great. It works great. But here's
just
the,
teasing.
no, actually, it's wonderful. But here's the problem. Every time I make a new one, I start looking at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I think it's got mold. I think it's got mold. And then of course my husband comes up underneath it with a light and he's like putting it underneath it, going, it's not mold. It's an air pocket. So how do you tell a mold from an air pocket? Just with light, or is there something else you do?
Well, the top mold, it's going to be powdery.
Right.
You can tell. It's usually slimy mold is these dots, little dots of
Okay.
blue, green, white. Yeah.
Okay, because I've gotten some that I'm really like, it's run, I can't.
No, they were kind of crazy.
Okay, yeah. And I saw that yours had, where you had made the tea and then did the CT, what is it, GTs? And then put your tea into it. But you know, actually, I did it without making a tea. Like, I just totally put the GT in a mason jar, covered it up, done.
Boom.
Yeah.
We like to overcomplicate everything.
Well, and the only reason is because you did a little more sugar to feed it.
So it made it faster. Okay, great. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys like photobombing me. That was so awesome.
We're glad you guys made it out. We had a great time at Baker Creek 2018.
Yes.
And, if you guys have some time on your calendar, maybe you come out for 2019.
That's right, because we will be here and they
We will too, probably. It's always the first Sunday, Monday in May. So if you haven't made your plans, make them already.
Awesome. Thank you very much. You guys have a great
Wait, you're forgetting something. Please like and subscribe.
So while we've been out here today, we have met so many YouTubers. I got another one. Yay! This is Julie from Dirt Patch Heaven, and we're going to talk for a few seconds about tools on the homestead that you can use to help your children who have attention problems. So if you want to just kind of tell us what you got and maybe what else you might have.
Okay, this is a drop spindle, and the reason that it's nice for kids is that if they break it, you're not out of your money.
Right.
It's something that they can do when they want to make something, and it takes a little bit of focus. Other things that we have are things like pop holders. Our kids do weaving. They do some wood burning. Just, I think pretty much anything where they feel like they have something to show for it after they've made it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And if you can display it and kind of give it pride and place
Oh, yes.
in the decorating in your house, I think anything you can do like that.
So have you made a loom for the weaving, or do you get the little plastic ones and
You can do
No,
that.
I'm sure you'll learn.
I've made looms before, and so kids can make their own looms. I can, give them some sticks and some string, and they'll
Don't remember, Mom, you're the boss.
Yep, that's Doug y'all hear in the background.
Yeah, that is Doug.
Okay, so those are a couple of tools that you use, and then that keeps them kind of focused and.
It just, if they see Mom using a big expensive tool like I have a spinning wheel, they want to be part of it. And with something like this that costs maybe 75 cents, you can let them kind of get in on the fun without breaking anything, without breaking anything, and give them a skill that is pretty cool. They can show their friends, they can show Grandma and Grandpa, and it makes them feel really important.
This is pretty cool, and I think the spinning would help with ADHD as well.
Helps me. My kids have a lot easier time focusing than I do, and so I'll even take something like this to church with me, one that's a little less conspicuous. I have a very hard time paying attention if I'm not doing something with my hands. And so this is more for me even than my kids, just because I think better when I pass it.
Right. So what do you think are maybe some good chores around the house that your kids do that homesteaders can incorporate for their kids to do?
We're off-grid, and so my kids do a lot of water hauling.
That's funny. So does he.
Yeah, and that I love that because it gives them a little bit of a chore that doesn't take very long in the middle of the day. We have a hand pump rather than an electric pump, and it's very lightweight, easy for the kids to use. We do laundry with it too. Hauling wood. Generally, it's not taking care of the animals without supervision.
Right. Overfeeding, lose that expensive feed. Yes. Those are actually some of the chores that we've incorporated into ours. We've had beetles and our pine tree had to be cut down. And so we've been doing a lot of wood hauling and water hauling all the way down to the pigs.
Yeah, and it makes a difference. I think it helps them feel some pride that mom and dad trust them. And also, I mean, it's obvious that it's a huge help, but a lot of times mom and dad just don't have time to do that kind of
Right.
So it's important. You really can't live that way without your kids that can pitch in like that.
That's right. It's very important to have them pitch in, and it builds character and muscles.
It does. It
So,
builds some good muscle.
well, I just want to thank you for stopping and talking to me for a few seconds, and we'll stick you down in the bottom.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much. You have a good day. Okay, so as you can tell from the background, we're home from Baker Creek Festival, and I just wanted to take special time to thank Dirt Patch Heaven for speaking to us. Of course, Doug and Stacy had a great time meeting them, speaking with them, and asking Stacy about the kombucha problem that I thought I was having. Thousands of Roots, which is Kip Smith's family, they were really nice to meet. Tim at American Homestead, he was the gentleman who showed us the composting toilet and the shower. And we just had such a wonderful time meeting so many people out there. There was over 20,000 people out there, but I think that they're right. It still is a community event. Everybody was so nice and so helpful, and even like the YouTubers that we didn't get footage of, they stopped, they talked to us. Being new, not everybody knows us, and they made us feel like they knew us forever. Living Traditions, thanks a lot. It was good talking to you, and I love your smile, Sarah. It's wonderful. And I want to say thank you and a special shout out to a new YouTuber here in Arkansas that we met while we were there, and that's the VW Family Farm. If you haven't had a chance to go check them out, go do it, because they bought something at Baker Creek and they're showing something really cool afterwards. So I just, like I said, want to take time to say thank you to everybody. It was so wonderful to meet the big YouTubers like Doug and Stacy and Thousands of Roots and Dirt Patch Heaven, and you guys are super. Keep on doing what you're doing. I'll keep on doing what I'm doing, sharing the things that we love to make this a better community. So until later, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell for notifications.